Hello, how you doing? Hope you're well. Welcome back to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, we're going to make a wonderful, really easy, but beautifully tasty mixed vegetable curry with some lovely Indian spices. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the vegetables that we're going to be using today. So, potatoes, eggplant, cauliflower, bell peppers, carrots, and mushrooms. All of the amounts of everything are in the text below. Generally, if you're going to make an Indian curry, you need these three things in there: cauliflower, eggplant, and potato. The other vegetables you can swap around as much as you want, but these three pretty much essential. Let's now take a look at some of the other basics. So here's some essentials that we're going to be using. So I've got a couple of tomatoes there cut. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. Onion chopped, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Cumin seeds, fresh chili, garlic ginger paste, and then here what I always call the big four: equal parts of chili, cumin, turmeric and coriander. If you want, you could be using a favourite curry powder that you already have. We're going to start us off with some oil. Today I'm going to use some coconut oil. We're going to add some salt and a touch of water. So I've got my pan here and I've got some coconut oil in there, just melting that down. Once that's all melted and hot, we'll add our seeds. Now I'm using coconut oil, but you can of course be using something else like sunflower or corn oil, up to you. In goes there little bit of cumin seeds. Just want them to do their thing for a few seconds in that oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. And then we're going to add first our potatoes. I like to get my potatoes in now, get them on the way. I'm also now going to add the carrots. So basically, let's get in our hardest vegetables right now. So we're going to go for like 3 minutes on a fairly lively heat, above medium heat. I'll see you then. So both vegetables are still really hard, but giving them a little head start. Let's chop in our onion. I'm now going to add some salt. I'm going to continue cooking for another 3 minutes. Very simply, now I'm going to add in my eggplant. And again, 3 more minutes, keep it moving. Now we're going to go for our cauliflower or gobi, and again 3 more minutes. As you can see, we're building the curry by adding all of the hardest vegetables, giving them a head start so they all end up cooking nice and even. I'm now going to go in with my bell peppers and my mushrooms. And at this point we're now going to add our garlic and ginger paste. Again, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Fantastic. Okay, here we go. Let's get those tomatoes in. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe tomato. Let's get our powders in. So if you're using a curry powder that you have already, all good. Or use what I'm doing, equal parts: turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. In that goes. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Going to give this a little mix. This is going to be absolutely delicious. And of course, super healthy with all of those delicious different vegetables we've got. Let's go over a mug of water, cold water. Let's get a lid on that. Stay on this kind of above medium heat. I'll see you in 5 minutes. You can just leave it alone. Okay, so I've just taken the lid off. And as you can see, we've got beautiful curry here. A little bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. Not too much, just a little tad of water. We're now going to put the heat, in my case gas, to a simmer. Get the lid back on, and what we're looking for now is just all our vegetables to be right. So look at your hardest vegetables, your carrots and potatoes. Once they're done, the other vegetables are going to be done. It's probably going to be about just another 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, and that is perfect now. Really beautiful. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. We're now going to put in a lovely amount of fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And I didn't show you this earlier, but nice hefty pinch of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful finishing spice. We're going to give that a mix and we're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Keep safe, be happy, lots of love.